boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. We out here at the Don C event. We on our way up, man. We gonna check it out. We gonna see what's popping. Let's get it.
We in here, and I'm overwhelmed because my city came out to celebrate the creation of the Legacy 312 Jordan brand new model. You know what I'm saying? It is its own thing. So this came from Chicago for Chicago, and the emphasis point we want to make tonight is that for the people here tonight, only for the people here tonight, y'all are very special. I want y'all to stunt on the world for the next month, because the brand has made it possible for the people here tonight to be able to get the 312s. Whoever want them, you can get them. There's an opportunity to get them tonight. I don't know all the specifics, but I'm gonna turn it over to somebody who does. I'm sorry, man. Y'all know what I be on. But like I said, man, thank you so much, Sean Mack. Thank you so much, holding it down. Happy earlier holding it down. Everybody from Jordan Brand and Limitless for putting this down. And man, I'm just overwhelmed. I don't want to hold that up no longer. I want to turn it over to Gabby. She gonna let y'all know how y'all can stunt on everybody, like how I be stunting. Y'all see me be stunting so early, you know what I'm saying? So it's all like I emphasize to the brand the point of Chicago, we want to stunt early. Like that's what it's all about. Everybody out here stunting. Everybody on Instagram stunting, but we were trying to stunt early. So early boy, early gang, you know what I'm saying? All right, Gabby, let them know.
So like Don said, we got a limited release of the Legacy 312s in all 5 colorways for some lucky winners that you all each received a raffle ticket upon entry, and we're about to call out some raffle tickets.
Hey man,
hey,
my boy,
this video right here gonna be I'ma just let you say
Bobbin, man. We in the building, my boy Arabelle, man. Chi-Town influencer legend. We in the building, man. Don C event, man. You know what I'm saying? How you feel about it, man? How you feel about the Don C's, man?
I ain't gonna lie, that neon green, he did his thing. He did his thing. I'ma leave it there.
I'm trying to tell him, man.
I'ma leave it there.
He joined Spire. Boy, definitely will have a fit. Believe that.
Color joints. Sean Mack, let's go. You got a tennis ball.
That was you that
Yo, man, so we in the line for the winners for the Don C's, man. My man said the recent...
I need 700. They want, it don't matter. I need 7.
Oh, wow.
Because they going to be gone when they release on Saturday.
We don't even know when these colors, we got access to all of them.
Saturday, 9 a.m. they release. I guarantee you in 45 minutes they going to be gone. It's only two colorways coming out. We getting all 5.
All 5.
So what you want to do? What you want to do?
Gang.
We actually lit, baby. We came out with a pair, baby. Early. Let's get it. Alright, so we got this medicine ball colorway in here, man. These are definitely, I know the audio crazy, but like, y'all can see the leather on there. OG Elephant print. That is Nubuck on the swoosh. Just that brown, man, the same material. You even see, like, you know, the cage material right there going around the back panel, man. You know, definitely fire. And if you were wondering, all of these do have Don C's branding in the inside, man. They all do. This is all the way through and through a Don C shoe. Down to the tag, man. You know what I'm saying? If I had to rank these might be number 3 on the list for me. I don't know, man. Y'all gotta let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment box. And we got this young Agassi, you know, homage over here, man. You see the mix match swoosh going around that joint. Definitely fire. This will probably be number 4 on my list, man. Like, I have these shoes, the OGs. And even if you look at the leather, man, the leather just ain't the same on these as the lime green and the blue colorway, man. You know, light gray outsole, got those infrared hits. These are dope. Again, man, all Just Don branding. This is a Just Don shoe, baby. Fire. Material out there, dope. Strapped up. Last but not least, man, we got the Air Command Forces. Again, sorry for the audio loud in here, but this is my least favorite colorway, man. You know, I just think that, I don't know, man. These stay pretty true to the colorway of the OG Air Command Forces. Definitely, I mean, okay. I just don't really agree with this colorway on this particular shoe as much as the other one. But I mean, I'm digging the model, man. I'm really feeling the model, man. These are definitely dope to me. Got the elephant print true, strapped up, got those blue hits, and signature green with the splatter there. You know what I'm saying? You know, again, that leather quality on these are definitely not as premium as the first 2 colorways you're gonna see this weekend. So that should be interesting, man. I'm wondering just how GR these are gonna be in comparison to the others. But okay, man. Altogether, the line is pretty decent, man. Y'all let me know in the comment box, man, how y'all feel about these. How y'all rank them? Let me know.
fire, holy water, holy money, money, money.
Have you ever partied out the country before? You know.
We are woody fire, woody thunder, only money, only money. Yeah. Sucker, 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 baby. Sucker, 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 sucker. We are grateful, locker, 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 locker. We are grateful, baby. Sucker, sucker, sucker. When I come. Weezy. Sean Mac, Premier. Let me know.
I see how my boy Tommy rocking. You know what I'm saying? Chicago, you already know how we get down. And Portland. Man. Love. Look at medicine ball joints, man. Why the medicine ball, dog? Medicine ball joints. Why that colorway now?
That's for the back. Because I studied on niggas my freshman year in high school with them that colorway, the Air Trainer 3, so that was memorial for me.
Facts, man.
That's for the back.
Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from get I'm down for you always. Chill with some mad bird. I got a new boy. Chill with some mad bird. Love me, are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me, cause I want you.
Yo. Hey man. You love, man. That's it. That's the Don C event, man. Dope event. I had a lot of fun, man. We gonna go ahead, get up out of here. It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. Y'all already know how we rocking. Let's get into that recap. Yo, so it's your boy Q the Flu. We back up in the building, man. Yo, so just came back, just got in the crib from the Don C, you know, the Legacy 312 Chicago event, man. As I said, dope event, outstanding event. You know what I'm saying? Your boy just wanted to come in, wrap this thing up. You know what I'm saying? I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog, man. You know, I love it when Jordan Brand, you know what I'm saying, can definitely show the city love like this, man. Now I feel like everybody, you know, got like all the cold rappers and the influences and stuff like that. It's always dope when, you know, one of our hometown heroes can bring it home, man, and show some love to the city in a very dope way, man. So, you know, I'm definitely excited. Your boy did get a chance to, you know, pick up, you know, some fire. You know what I'm saying? We're going, you know, we got some posters in this thing. You know, they were giving away a couple of giveaways. You know, we got the 312, the Legacy 312 poster. You know, them things are fire, man, other than print. And I definitely got a few other different posters, man. But, you know, the main thing was these guys, man. The 312, the Legacies, you know what I'm saying, the NRG joints, the Quick Strike, man. The hometown hero just done. I was able to secure at least tonight, you know what I'm saying, that ghost green colorway. Now they were selling, you know, if you were at the event tonight, man, on some special Chi-Town-ish, like my man Don C said, they had all 5 of the colorways available, man, if you want like this raffle, you know what I'm saying, at the event, man. But for me, your boy Q personally, I was definitely going out of this ghost green colorway and definitely that blue colorway, which, you know, I'll be looking to get, you know. This is the night before the Friday night, which we're dropping it early. And everybody else to see that release Saturday. 160, you know what I'm saying, plus tax wherever you at, man. I'm digging these. Very dope, man. But, you know, Fire on Feast coming soon. Just wanted to kind of wrap this up. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about it, man. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, join the Flu Gang, join the family, man. And you already know how we rocking. Gang, 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 gang.